Logo 8, with its integrated web server, it is wonderfully suited for small home automation tasks. It allows me to operate not only the standard functions that use standard switches in the home, but also a web server, enabling me to control the system with my smartphone or tablet. The question arises: 4 function buttons are displayed on the web server, yet there are many more functions that need to be operated in the home. How can I configure the system so that I can operate several control systems with the 4 buttons? I have prepared an example as an illustration. In the upper part of the circuit, we see the program part for the message texts. Here there are 2 message texts which can be alternately operated via these counters. If I wish to operate more switches, I in turn have to activate more counters. With the F4 button on the text display or on my smartphone, I can then toggle between the respective message texts. Depending upon which message text is currently active, the F1 and F2 function buttons are linked via the AND gate and relay the signal to the actual light switch. Here, for example, I have the switch for the hallway lighting on the first floor, and via an XOR operation I receive the signal coming from the function button, and I can use it to operate the hallway lamp like a toggle switch. The circuit for the other lamps is exactly the same. 4 circuits have been implemented here so that I can demonstrate the whole setup on the demo device. Let's take a look at the project on the demo device. Here are the switches that I can use to control the 4 lights. At the same time, depending upon the message text shown on the display, I can use both of these function buttons to control the lights on the first floor, also as a toggle switch. If the window is switched over to the second floor, the same function buttons can be used to operate the lights on the second floor. Here as well, I have the option of operating it as a toggle switch. We are now using the same example as before in the logo setup without a display and without an additional text display attached. We control the entire program using only the tablet via web server. The switches control various lamps depending on the menu that is configured. We have seen that with Logo 8 and the web server, I can very easily control a home function using a smartphone or tablet. Logo 8. Simply ingenious, simply more.